Parang tong palengke. This is a Belgium palengke. They're selling different types of fishes.
Ayun sa loob.
Fishes, yeah. Yeah, fishes. Euro. You have to pay euro. Laki, oh.
Ayan, tinapangalan ng Saskia. Bisita Saskia.
Meron dong oyster.
Tapos na sila doon. Ice cream.
May ice cream din sila.
Doon sana may ice cream din doon sa...
Pero mamaya. Okay. Okay, okay. May let's cross. Wala na dyan eh. We're walking on the street of Belgium. Pero
Down, this is down.
town, yeah, this is town of Belgium. Mark Ober. Food front, mamaya, food front. I think they open already. Wow. Ba't walang tao, no? Ha?
Sarado pa siya.
No, alas 12 na eh. Wow, ang ganda ng baba. Chicks, oh. Meron tights. Huh? Look like model, man. Bachiria, Bachina, me. This is the town of Belgium. But where are the people? Where are the people? This is the flag of Belgium. May parang Mexican flag, oh. Red, white, and green. Yeah. Wow. This is a very quiet town, me. Where are the people? Huh?
Wala tayong makakakita sa atin dito. Wala na.
No. Okay. Turn this off.